Welcome back to my YouTube channel Ambit Educations, and in today's video we will learn how to connect a PostgreSQL database to a Power BI, and we will also handle the error and deal with errors if we get any error during the connection. So watch this video till the end. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to open Power BI desktop in your system, and you have to click on get data from another source. So here you will get the database option, and you have to go on PostgreSQL database. Now it will prompt the server name and database name. So you have to enter the name of server and database name. So after entering the server name and database name, you have to hit the OK button, and the data connectivity mode you can select according to you, import or direct query mode as your need. So after hit the button OK, you will prompt this dialog box where you have to enter the username and password. So enter your username and password. After entering the username and password, you have to click on the button connect. So hit on the button connect, and let's see what it shows to us. So it's connecting, so wait for a few seconds. So we are getting an error here, unable to connect. We encountered an error while trying to connect details. An error happened while reading data from the provider. A connection attempt failed because the connected party did not properly respond after a period of time, or established connection failed because connected host has failed to respond. So let's see how we can solve this error. So just you have to open the Chrome, and you have to write here PostgreSQL download. So let's download it. Just click on this link, go on the Windows and click on here download the installer. So if you are on Linux, you can download this Linux, this Mac, and this is Windows. So we are working on Windows, so we have to click on Windows, and the download is started. So we have to wait until it downloads. Okay, so when you open the setup, so it will prompt this thing, and you have to click on next button. So this is your file location. Okay, so this, and you can select what components you have to install. So you have to check out, click on check. So already these all are checked, so you have to put next, and the data directory, okay, next. Now here you have to type the password to open the PostgreSQL software. Whenever you will go on this software and open this, okay, so when you will see the data, it will prompt a password. So you have to remember this password. So set it according to which you can remember. So I am just entering the password here, and we have to retype the password. Okay, so you have to remember this password. Okay, next. Okay, this is your port number, so keep it same 5432, and default local, and this is installation directory. Next. Now it is going to install, so it can take few minutes to install, depends on your network connectivity. So wait until it get downloaded or installed. Okay, so the download is done. Now you have to ensure that this one is checked. because we are going to download and install some additional tools. So just click on finish after checking this one. Okay, finish. And now you have to, okay, so you have to PostgreSQL, you can select this and click on next and downloading application list. Okay, so we have to wait, it's connecting and downloading. Okay, so okay, here you can get some additional tools and all these things. So what we have to download this one and we have to download this one. Okay, so according to, you can also download this one and other things as per your requirements. You can download, but right now we are downloading NPGSQL and PSQL ODBC Driver. Okay, and you can download 32-bit version also according to your system version. So right now I am downloading 64-bit version, so we have to click on next button. This is your download directory where you would like to store these files, so just click on next. Okay, and it started downloading. So it's okay, it's downloaded and it's connecting to server again. So we have to wait until it gets downloaded. Okay, so okay, all the installation files have been successfully downloaded. Please click on the next button to start the installations. So to install it, okay, so you have to click on here next and PSQL. So setup is now ready and you have to click on next. Okay, so NPSQL is downloaded, so we have to click on finish button. Okay, now this time we are going to download the ODBC. Click on next, and this is going to just few more seconds and it's done. Now click on finish here because all installations completed. So the part of downloading the components and all these things is done. We have to open ODBC from here. Okay, and now we have to click on the button add and we have to click on Unicode and we have. So after clicking on the add button, you will get this dialog box and you have to give the database name, server name, username, password, port. You have to enter the 5432 and here you have to click on allow button, and after entering all the credentials you have to click on the button test and then you have to click on save. So please enter your all credentials on all these blanks values. So after saving the credentials in ODBC driver, now you have to come on in Power BI and click on get data from another source, go to other option and here connect to ODBC and click on the connect button. Now from here you have to select this one and click on OK, and now this time you will get connected to your data. Okay, so thank you for watching this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates. Thank you.